Hello, California providers. This is Dr. Heidi Morgan with Essential CEU Institute. We are providers just like you are. And so I come to you not as an expert, but to tell you this is happening to all of us together. And I'm going to get to a place where we can talk about rate models. So what I've done is I've gone to dds.ca.gov. I went to the vendor screen. And then I clicked on the rate model. So this is the complete rate model by regional center in California. Sunders and my home regional center in our primary work area is San Andreas. So if I click rates only, effective 1/1/25, I am taken to a file that I will now pull up for you. I did do some highlighting and various things within it. But on that Excel file, we will see that many of our day programs in California and our service codes for them have changed effective January 1st, 2025. So the one I want to highlight for you, and you'll have to go to your own regional center if you care about this, is something called 532. So you open up your home regional center of interest, or each of them separately if you serve multiple regional centers. And I want you to see the code 532. The best ratio you can achieve with that, what's called a behavioral management day program, appears to be one staff for every two individuals. What it sounds like so far, and I do encourage you to contact your own regional centers about this, is that if an individual needs more than the 1-to-2 ratio, you can look at 1-to-1 supplemental rates called 1-1-0. So for 532, the reason that we are having trouble at Essential CEU Institute getting all of our providers answered, the reason that I'm recording this second video to supplement the first is that it appears that section or code 532 in California, starting 2025, requires not RBT certification, but the full 40-hour RBT training. We have that for you. So if you go in and assign your staff that today, you can come into compliance within 40 hours of training for each and every staff. I've shown you on a separate video how to accomplish that. So 532 is a behavior management day program service, and every staff, from what we've heard so far, we haven't seen a lot in writing, but every staff, from what we've heard so far, has to have RBT training. RBT training exists on our site, and we can get that for you within 40 hours of training completion for each and every one of your staff. So please follow that second video for how to pursue that. On this video, what I've shown you is that you go to dds.ca.gov, you go to vendors, which is what service providers are, you go to the rate models, and what you can pull up for your specific regional centers is information about the new day program codes. You now know that we offer the training that each and every one of your staff who provide this code need to have in order to use the code starting January of 2025. If you need us, you're welcome to open a support ticket, but I do want to let you all know that we're being inundated just like you are. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you on the other side.